7 foods that would help you lose weight fast. You may not know that scientists have discovered that certain foods could have an effect on appetite. When combined with a healthy diet and lifestyle, these could potentially help you to lose weight. Some foods, such as vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and yogurt, were linked to weight reduction in one research. Sugary beverages, potato chips, processed food, and red meats were all linked to obesity in the same research. According to these observations, when you are trying to lose weight, it may well be preferable to avoid sugary foods, fried foods, meats with high amounts of fat, and processed foods. Physical activity is crucial for losing the excess weight and keeping it off, even if the appropriate diets assist. But, prior to actually beginning any exercise program, we recommend that you consult with your doctor first. So let's get started with the video and learn more about the 7 foods which might help you lose weight fast. Number 1, eggs. Eggs are one of the most favored items, primarily for breakfast, as it may help you in losing weight. Researchers evaluated the impact of eating eggs versus a bagel for breakfast on food consumption, appetite, and fulfillment in a small experiment comprising 21 males. They also evaluated ghrelin, the well-known hunger hormone, insulin, and sugar levels. They discovered that males who ate eggs for breakfast ate far less during their next meal and over the next 24 hours than males who ate bagels for breakfast. 3 hours post-breakfast, participants who ate eggs for breakfast stated that they felt less hungry and far more satiated in comparison to those who ate bagels. The egg-consuming team also had decreased ghrelin levels and much less of a fluctuation in insulin and sugar levels after breakfast compared to the bagel group. Number 2, chickpeas, beans, peas, and lentils. Pulses are a group of legumes that include chickpeas, beans, peas, and lentils. Due to their effect on satisfaction, as well as their fiber and protein levels, they may impact weight loss. Pulses, like oats, include dietary fibers, which can impede the digestion process and absorption of nutrients. When you intake protein, hormones that indicate contentment are released. The researchers looked at experiments that evaluated the effect of eating pulses for losing weight. Diets containing pulses led to a much higher weight loss than diets lacking pulses. When opposed to diets without pulses, weight control diets including pulses led to better weight management. Number 3, oatmeal. A bowl of oats first thing in the morning could also help you lose that excess weight. A research of 47 participants looked at how hunger, satisfaction, and subsequent meal consumption differed after eating oatmeal in comparison to a ready-to-eat oat-based breakfast cereal. Participants felt less hungry and much satisfied after consuming oatmeal cereal. In addition, after taking oatmeal, they consumed fewer calories at lunch than after consuming the regular morning cereal. Despite the fact that both breakfasts had a similar number of calories, the one with oatmeal had more fiber, protein, and less sugar in comparison to the usual cereal. The researchers discovered that the results were most likely caused by a variation in fiber, primarily a form of soluble fiber known as beta-glucan. Number 4, avocados. Avocados are fruits that contain fiber, essential fats, and a variety of other nutrients. They could perhaps also assist with losing weight. Avocado eaters weighed substantially lighter and had a relatively lower body mass index than non-avocado eaters, as per a survey done on American people. Avocado eaters were also more likely to consume more vegetables, fruits, and fiber in comparison to those who didn't. Avocado eaters had an overall healthy balanced diet and ate relatively less added sugar. Moreover, they had a decreased risk of metabolic syndrome as opposed to individuals who did not eat avocado. Number 5, nuts. A weight reduction diet enriched with 50 grams of almonds every day was compared to a weight management diet that did not incorporate nuts in a research including obese and overweight women. Women who were in the almond group shed considerably more pounds than women inside the nut-free group, post 3 months. Women who were in the almond group had also significantly lower body mass index, waistlines, triglycerides, bad cholesterol, and blood sugar levels. Nuts are high in fiber and protein, and this could justify their weight loss impacts. They also include essential fats that are good for the heart and other nutrients that are helpful to the body. While nuts can indeed be a vital component of a healthy diet, they must be consumed moderately as they are foods with high density of energy. Gaining weight again is a common issue for those who have worked hard to lose weight. In a 5-year research conducted in Europe, scientists discovered that those who ate the most nuts acquired the least amount of weight in comparison to those who didn't. These individuals were also less likely to become obese or overweight. Number 6. Cruciferous vegetables. Cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are examples of cruciferous vegetables. They are a good source of fiber and, similar to most other vegetables, seem to be quite satisfying. Furthermore, these vegetables possess a good quantity of protein in them. They might not possess nearly as much protein as legumes, meat and dairy products, but as compared to other vegetables they are relatively high in protein. Cruciferous vegetables are ideal foods to combine in your meals if you really want to lose those unwanted pounds, since they contain fiber, protein, and have a low calorie content. These vegetables are also high in nutrients and consist of chemicals that may reduce your cancer risk. However, you need to bear in mind that no quantity of cruciferous veggies can stand as a substitute for the treatment of cancer. Before we move on to the last food that would help you in your weight loss journey, we would like to share an amazing thing with you. So, if you are tired of trying endless weight loss diet plans and exercise but have still been unsuccessful in losing those unwanted pounds and achieve your dream physique, then we would recommend that you check the links in the description for some amazing products that would help you in your weight loss journey. Some of these products are so amazing that they help you eat and still lose weight. So do check them out. Now let's move on to the last food item in the list, and that is lean meat and chicken breast. For many individuals, meat is still a contentious type of food. We still don't know whether or how red meat increases the risk of diabetes or cardiovascular disease, aside from questions of feasibility and morality. There is little proof of a connection between meat intake and health consequences, according to research. That phrase can be perplexing, and it's sometimes mistaken as a call to consume more meat, but it just indicates that there doesn't exist sufficient information to establish if it has adverse health effects. A higher consumption of processed and red meats, on the other hand, has been linked to an increased risk of diabetes, cancer, heart diseases, and premature death. Consuming unadulterated meat moderately in conjunction with whole grains, vegetables, and fruits may help to reduce the risk of cancer relating with meat consumption. Red meat and chicken are indeed a good source of iron and protein in terms of nutrition. Lean cuts of red meat such as flank steak or tenderloin, and chicken breast, are high in protein and iron, and contain less trans fat compared to other cuts. To help with weight loss and cardiovascular health, you should choose these the majority of the time. Inflammation, which is linked to prolonged illness, is believed to be fueled by trans fat. But, research into the same has not provided distinguished results up to this point. The way people cook meat may have an impact on their health. Fat drippings form when red meat is cooked for long durations at high temperatures, such as by grilling or smoking. When these come into contact with hot cooking surfaces, they produce a poisonous byproduct known as PAHs or polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, which may also contribute to cancer. Minimize smoke, wipe off drippings, and consume lean meat in limited proportion to reduce these risks. Only around 85 grams, i.e. around 3 ounces of servings a week, are allowed. Keep in mind that each serving should be approximately as big as the palm of your hand. So, these were the 7 foods that help you in losing weight fast. Try them out and see the results. And remember, the links are waiting for you in the description.